Hello parents, and hello Bulilit Questers, and hello Starbuck. Ready na mo tanan? Ready na ba ang tanan? So, ready na ang tanan? And I wish na mag-enjoy, mag-relax, and feel free to support our Bulilit Questers and Starbuck. So, tulungan natin yung mga Bulilit Questers sa kanilang iba't ibang performance upang maghanap tayo ng Audience Impact Awardees will be based on number of cheerers, supporters. So, ready na jud mo? So, ready na? Hep hep! Hep hep! So, let's start our show for today. So, please be stand up for our opening prayer.